Demo of the new cluster concept that I have in Mechanica. So the entire script here is about 15, 20 some odd lines of Python where we create a cluster and we go ahead and run this in the interactive Python interpreter, and we see that that creates an initial cluster of about 2,000 some odd particles. And we call the split method on that cluster, and we can obviously connect that method to an event to have that automatically triggered. And what that does is that takes half the objects that are contained with Ellen and creates a new cluster of half the objects in there. And because their identity changed, the forces that act on them automatically changed. And that allows us to model concepts like cellular mitosis really simply. So this is basically a demo of that. And again, this is running in real time, interactively. And I can interactively call methods in the interpreter. And API-wise, yeah, we create a class that's a cluster. We create some nested objects in there. We hook up some interaction potentials and simply bind them and go ahead and call the run method on the simulator.